Hi, to enable or disable theater mode on Google Pixel Watch 3, just swipe down from your current watch face to trigger Quick Settings and find this icon. After tapping it, you will see the suggestion to turn on Cinema Mode, which turns off screen and screen wake gestures and silence alerts. So if you want to enable it, just tap this white check mark to confirm. And now theater mode is on, and we can also see its icon on lock screen. To disable, go back in Quick Settings and tap this white icon once so it will become gray, and now cinema mode off. And that's all for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.